Okay, so today I'm going to be making the answer key while recording it, and so let's see how this goes. So, looking at it says, "What do gorillas eat for lunch?" And it says, "Do each exercise and find your answers at the bottom of the page. Then write a letter of the exercise in the box." So, when I look here, I've got 1, 2, 3 out of 10. So 3 tenths is the same as zero point 0.3 or 3 tenths. And so I look for zero point 0.3 and I'm going to put the L right there. This is 8 tenths, 8 out of 10, or zero point 0.8 is the letter A. This says that it's a whole, so this is 1 plus zero point 0.5 or 1.5 is E. Oh, and then I've got words over there. This looks like 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 0.27 is I. This is 85, 0.85. Way over here is S. This is 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 63. So 1.63 is, how am I? There we go. D. And then over here, what it asks you to do is 7 tenths. So 7 tenths looks like that, or 0.7 tenths is the letter C. 91 hundredths is going to be 0.91. 91 hundredths is the letter E. 2 and 6 tenths is just 2.6 is the letter I. 15 and 2 tenths is 15.2 is the letter D. 7 and 34 hundredths, 7.34 is the letter G. Way over there. 12 and 72 hundredths, 12.72 is the letter H. 4 hundredths is 0.04. 4 hundredths, like 4 cents, is E. 3 and 9 hundredths, 3.09 is N. Okay, so now let's look at this one. If this is 0 and this is 0.5, then this is 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. So E is 0.1. C is 0.6. And S is 0.9. Here we go. If that's 1 and 1.5, oh, it's going to keep going. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2.0. Okay, so we've got a W at 1.2. We got sandwiches, an E at 1.4, an L at 1.8, and okay, now we go down to here. Ooh, okay. If this is 2.00 and that's 250, this would be 2.10, 2.20, 2.30, 2.40 are going to be the longer marks. That means the S is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 2.06 is an S. And then an O at just before 240 would be 239. Then H is 2.5, 2.6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 2.65 is an H. And lastly, the R, if the long one is a 3, this is 299, 298, 297. 2.97 is going to be an R. And so what do gorillas eat for lunch? Grilled cheese sandwiches. Grilled cheese sandwiches. So then we go to this one. Why does a mouse have fur? It says, think of a location, each decimal on the number line. I don't know why it's all messed up like this. On the number line under each exercise, write the number of the exercise as close to that point as possible. So as you're going through this, you're going to be writing the answers on the number line. And it shows at, so T is going to be 0.21. And so if this is 0.2, then T is going to be like right in here somewhere. U is at 4.5, so I've got a U there, checking them off as I go. I is at 13, that's going to be like right in here somewhere. A U at 0.86, U is right there. O at 0.38, T at 54, and R at 97. W way down here. 79 is an F, and 28 is an H. Even if you're off by a little bit, you're going to be okay. It says without fur. Here we go. Oh, 3 digits. 487. We're going to start at a 4. We're going to go up to the 8. 87 is going to be like right in here somewhere. E792. O at 346. Again, if you're off by a little bit, you're still going to be okay. A at 961. 098. Oh, we're going to 4 decimal places. Oh, no, that's still 3. It's going to be way over here. 55 is going to be a D. I is still really low, 15. 424 is like a U. 70, I've got a B right in here. And 256 is a W. Well, I got some of this got mixed up. Where is my I? Is a 0.15. Oh, sorry, 0.015. I'm sorry. Erase that. 0.15 is like between 0.1 and 0.2. And so it says, without fur, it would be and then we got to find the punchline right here. 7.25 is going to be like right in here somewhere. 4 is going to be just before that. Nope, I already messed it up. 7.437 is like right in here somewhere. 7.7 is an A. 7.14 is over here is an I. 7.93 is way over here, or 1.3 is an E. That's almost 7.4 is an L. And then 7.8 is an R. 7.3 is a T. L is way 7028 is an L. Um, oh, without fur, it would be a little bear. And so, why does a mouse have fur? Without fur, it would be a little bear. And so, that's the worksheets I'm going to have you do today to get ready for understanding decimals. And I'll see you in the next video.